Morning, folks. We ain't working on squat today. I'm just going to show you what I spent my time doing yesterday, gathering up a little wintertime gold. That's junk. But I'm going to find something in there to do. We'll take a quick look at it. There's my treasures, folks. Right up front, I got old MTD tiller, 2 flat tires, no coil, no recoil. I don't know. We'll take a look at it. It may not be worth anything to anybody but the scrap man. Who knows? We may have a motor to put on this thing. Everything else may be good. We got a little old garden scratcher. I like these right here. They sell pretty good. Ain't real happy with that antique right there, but let's make her hum and send her on down the road. The other good little find, I'm happy with this snapperdoodle find here, except for one thing I noticed this morning when I come out here. I saw it actually yesterday. Let's see if we can get in there and see it. Right, oh, get in there, son. Right there behind the starter. Can't see it, can you? Bam, right there. Yep, that's where it turned loose at. That connecting rod's broke in there. And then this is definitely going straight to the scrap heap. I don't want it. Dang Tecumseh motor. I don't like them, don't want them. And somebody else done give up on it. I don't even like this tiller. And then we got us a little old edger over there hiding. He's the second best looking unit out of the bunch, other than those snapperdoodle. But we'll get to each and every one of these one at a time. See what we got. Strip off what we want. Fix what we want. Haul the rest off. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek what's going on. I got a little something hiding in the shop. Hadn't really started on them yet, but I've given them a looking at. Let's ease on down there and take a look. Let me get my doggone coffee. Hold on. Yeah, we can walk. I'll meet y'all down there. I want y'all to be careful now. Hey, we're gonna sneak in here. Cause you see, these monsters in the shop today. Oh yeah, got the Bigfoot hanging out. We got the grave digger with him. I done took a quick little look at them. We're gonna follow up on them in another video, but I thought y'all might like to at least take a look. Folks, I hope y'all enjoy checking out my junk haul. One man's junk, another man's treasure. We may not find anything all that amazing in it. We're gonna find something to keep us busy. Next week we'll try and get into these sweet little old monster truck rides. I'll almost bet you when Willie finds out what's sitting in the shop, he gonna show up to work on time. He think he gonna get to ride in one probably. We might just let him. Check us out. We'll see what's going on with these things.